upbeat background music. Hey there, smart buyers! Welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make better purchasing decisions by comparing products head to head. Today, we've got a drone showdown between two mini flying marvels, the Tomzon A23 mini drone, affectionately known as Tommy, and the LMRC 12 drone, which we'll call Larry. Let's find out which one is worth your hard-earned cash. Transition with drone buzzing sound. All right, let's talk about the first thing on everyone's mind: price. Tommy here is a budget-friendly option at just $39. Meanwhile, Larry is strutting his stuff with a price tag of $79. That's almost double. So if your wallet is tighter than a pair of skinny jeans after Thanksgiving dinner, Tommy's got your back. Reviewers appreciate Tommy's affordability, making it a great option for both kids and adults. On the other hand, Larry's higher price is justified by its advanced features, as noted by many satisfied users. On-screen text: price, Tommy minus $39, Larry minus $79. With the extra $40 you save on Tommy, you can buy yourself a pizza and still have change for a soda. Just saying. Next up is ease of use. Tommy is a beginner's dream with one key takeoff and throw-to-go features. You basically toss it in the air like you're trying to get rid of a spider, and it starts flying. Larry, on the other hand, also has one key start landing and altitude hold for stable hovering. But let's be honest, Larry's features are like giving a Ferrari to a learner driver. Cool, but maybe a bit much for newbies. Reviewers love how easy Tommy is to control, making it perfect for indoor use and for younger kids. Larry, however, is noted for its advanced features, making it more suitable for those with some drone flying experience. On-screen text: ease of use. Tommy, beginner-friendly. Larry, advanced features. So if you're a drone newbie, go with Tommy. If you're a drone pro, or at least you think you are, Larry's your guy. Now for the fun stuff. Tommy can do 3D flips, high-speed auto-rotation, and circle fly. It's like a mini circus in the sky. Larry, however, has a 1080 PhD camera with FPV real-time transmission and dual camera switching. It's basically a flying paparazzi. Plus, you can draw a path on your app, and it'll follow it like a lost puppy. According to reviews, Tommy's stunts are a big hit, especially with kids. Larry's camera and path-flying features are praised for capturing stunning shots and providing a more immersive flying experience. On-screen text: features and fun. Tommy, stunts. Larry, camera and path flying. So, Tommy is like the class clown doing backflips for laughs, while Larry is the tech geek who aced all the exams and is now filming his own documentary. Let's talk flight time. Tommy offers 18 minutes of fun with its two modular batteries. Larry, being the overachiever, gives you a whopping 26 minutes. That's 8 extra minutes to impress your friends, or, let's be real, crash into more trees. Reviewers note that Tommy's flight time is decent for its price range, while Larry's extended flight time is a major selling point for those looking for longer sessions. On-screen text: flight time, Tommy, 18 minutes. Larry, 26 minutes. Just make sure you pack some snacks because Larry's going to keep you busy for a while. Durability and safety are crucial, especially if you're prone to crashes. Tommy is built tough with propeller guards and can withstand the rough and tumble of a beginner's piloting. Larry, with its brushless motor and wind resistance, is more like a delicate flower that can handle a storm, but maybe not your kid's curious hands. Reviews highlight Tommy's durability and kid-friendly design, while Larry's wind resistance and stable flight are commended, although its build quality has received mixed feedback. On-screen text, durability and safety. Tommy, kid-proof. Larry, wind-resistant. So if you've got little ones or you're just plain clumsy, Tommy is the safer bet. Larry is for those who like to live life on the edge, or at least on the windy side. Both Tommy and Larry have received positive feedback from users. Tommy is praised for its affordability, ease of use, and fun features, making it a great choice for beginners and kids. Larry, on the other hand, is appreciated for its advanced camera features, extended flight time, and wind resistance, catering to more experienced users. However, some users have noted issues with Larry's build quality and app functionality. All right, smart buyers, there you have it. Tommy, the budget-friendly, fun-loving, and durable mini drone versus Larry, the feature-packed, camera-wielding, and flight-time champ. Which one will you choose? Let us know in the comments below. On-screen text, Tommy versus Larry, who wins? Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss another episode of Buy Smart. Until next time, happy shopping and fly smart. Fade out with upbeat music and drone flying away. End of video. Product links are in the description.